Hi friends, today's thought is blue collar syndrome. I have worked with Coca-Cola India in factory operations for 2 years in early stage of my career, and I got a chance to work closely with blue collar employees because I was shift in charge, and I observed a very clear cut phenomenon which I call as blue collar syndrome, that people who are working in shop floors always look at people who are doing the white collar job in the same factory as management. So there is a clear demarcation between us and management. For a blue collar employee, everybody who is working and sitting in office is a management, be it a clerk, be it a supervisor, be it a general manager, or be it CEO. For them, everybody is management, and they develop and they have a feeling of class differentiation always. They always believe we are the workers, we are somebody who is toiling very hard in summer, in winter, on the shop floor, getting very minimally paid, and these are the people working comfortably in air conditioning environments. Fine. At that moment, I realized that it's very difficult to convince them or make them understand to come out of that blue collar syndrome because of obvious reasons, their education level, their IQ level, etc., etc., etc. But what has happened recently, the same syndrome is observed even in MNC offices. People who are actually working in white collar jobs are also trying to, or are also creating this class differentiation or believing in that. So people at any level, somebody who is a executive believes that I am the guy who is suffering the most, who is working the most, and my manager is having a good life, he just gives me orders and go back home and takes much more salary than me and sits in a cubicle. A manager who is sitting in a cubicle feels the same, that he is the general manager or assistant vice president or vice president sitting in a big cabin, and he doesn't have anything to do, he just gives me orders, he's just doing something on Excel sheet or Word document entire day, and I am the guy who is doing all the work, but he's getting paid against many more times than me and having a good life. What I'm trying to tell you people, friends, that be it factory work, be it office work, we all are same. Starting from an executive to a CEO, basically, everybody is doing a job and is getting paid for that. The frills that you see sitting in cabin or cubicle is part of the job, because a senior guy needs confidentiality when he's speaking to somebody or typing mails. That is why organization provides him or her a cabin, not for any other reason. Of course, they are paid more, but they are paid more because they are taking on far more responsibilities, they are taking on far more accountability, and they are ready to deliver something which we still need to deliver. But they are as much an employee as we are. Nobody is management. I think the owner of the organization or the factory are the people who are really the owner, and you might think that these are the guys who are making money. But for everybody else is an employee. How many times a manager or assistant manager or a software engineer have actually bothered to check what are the quarterly results of my organization in the last 3 months? We are only bothered to ask for appraisals, to ask for raises, to ask from going to cubicles to cabins, but have we really bothered ever how my organization as a whole is doing? Are we profitable? Are we moving ahead, or are we moving backwards? Before you actually ask what kind of appraisal I am asking or what kind of appraisal I am getting. So my suggestion, or the point that we should remember is we all are employees, we all are doing a job, and we are paid for that. It is very important to understand that organization as a whole generally is very fair. When the economy is doing good, when people are doing good, organization will definitely pay you more salary or give you more increments. When things are bad, the organization itself is not able to make much profits. How they can give you appraisals as per your liking or wish? So connecting to some other video that we have created, expectation of appraisals year on year at the same rate, please understand it's economy. Things will change. Organization would be fair. Only the owner is the boss. Everybody else is an employee, and every employee will like to do good for every other employee. We strongly believe in that. Thanks a lot.